everyone, in this video we are gonna find out which is faster and which is best for gaming in 2021 between the Redmi 10 and the Redmi Note 10, as both are the latest mid-range smartphone and the price of both of them is almost about the same. So let's find out which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. So as always, starting from the boot up test, and here we go. Now let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. As on the Redmi 10 we have got MediaTek Helio G88 chip, while on the Redmi Note 10 we have got Snapdragon 678, and both are 6GB variant. So let's see. And as well as both are running on their updated software, which is the MIUI 12.5. Well, we can see the first boot up test won by the Redmi Note 10 and followed by the Redmi 10, and I think it was about 3-second difference, which is a huge gap. Okay, so now before starting the test, let me just confirm that both are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. So starting from some light applications, and here we go. Well, you can see this one goes to the Redmi 10 messages, and again slightly quicker animations on the Redmi 10 camera, and you can see this one goes to the Redmi 10 once again. Now coming to the third-party applications to see the real difference between the Redmi 10 and the Redmi Note. Welcome back. So it was a speed test comparison between the Redmi 10 and the Redmi Note 10, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both devices. Now according to this test, I will definitely prefer the Redmi 10 against the Redmi Note 10 because every single application test won by the Redmi 10, including the rendering test and Pubg test. But my recommendation is that I will prefer the Redmi 10 against the Redmi Note 10. But at the end, you guys are here to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both smartphones. Okay, so it was all from us for today. Just make sure to subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep supporting us.